So, you want to get better at cooking Chinese food? Well, my dad has 5 tips for you that will get you cooking as good as him.
Tip number 1, if you make fried rice, only use cold, day-old rice.
Yeah, moisture is the enemy of fried rice. Make sure you're only using day-old rice chilled overnight. Crumble the rice over the wok. That way you'll get really crisp, granular, delicious fried rice.
Number 2, use a little cornstarch.
Cornstarch is the secret of really silky meats and silky sauces. So if the recipe calls for it, add a little bit of cornstarch to the marinade and add a little bit of cornstarch to the sauce. It's going to make a whole world of difference.
Tip number 3, make sure you have this essential sauce.
If you're going to be cooking Chinese food, you're going to want these essential sauces in your pantry. You're going to want light and dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, sesame oil, and Shaoxing wine. You get these bottles, you'll be able to cook 90% of all Chinese recipes.
Tip number 4, if you're cooking a lot of meat, fry in 2 batches.
When possible, you're going to want to fry your meats in 2 batches, especially if you're going to be cooking a lot. And the reason is the more you crowd the pan, the less crispy browning and sizzle that you're going to get. So you want the meat to be nice and crisp, which is why you want to cook in 2 batches.
Tip number 5, use baking soda to marinate the meat.
This is one of our favorite tips at ATK. Add a little bit of baking soda, combine it with water, and just pour that over the meats, whether it's ground meat or pork or beef. This is going to raise the pH levels in the meat, so when you cook it, it's going to stay moist and juicy and helps with the browning. So those are my dad's 5 tips for better Chinese cooking. Got a tip for us? Leave it in the comment section below. And for more recipes, go to our website, americastestkitchen.com/pang.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe.